Hello Tech World, and we're back today with another review of an active noise cancelling headphone, the Cleer Audio or Cleer Enduro ANC. Now, we were sent these because we've covered Cleer Audio products in the past. Check out the website MobileTechTalk.co.uk for reviews on those, and on the YouTube channel as well. We've been sent these because, well, obviously, as it says, they're an official partner of the United Soccer League, but also because they were a Red Dot winner. 2020 Red Dot winner for design here. So we've covered the Cleer Audio stuff, as I've said. ANC was very good. The Bluetooth range was very good. Overall package was very good. A few issues with the fit and finish. The plastic manufacturing design possibly wasn't excellent in terms of the quality control. But I've got high hopes for these, not least because just look at how beautiful they look. We're going to get them out of the package in a minute and have a look. But they just look excellent. Let's just have a quick look around the box before we get into it. So just on the left hand side, we've got a few call outs here for the ANC 40mm ironless drivers, which apparently will produce bold and articulate high-res sound. We'll see. The key bit here, though, is the industry leading 60 hours of playback. Now, we get good battery life with other ANC headphones, but this is 60 hours of continuous playback with active noise cancellation on. So we're going to get these out of the package in a minute. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. We're in slightly different surroundings here today because it's lovely weather, so I thought I'd get out, and I'll see you on the flip. And we are back, and we are ready to own the moment, as Cleer Audio say. So let's just flip this up to see the headphones. I'll just give you a slightly closer look there. They look very, very, very nice. It's a brushed metallic finish here that's surrounding the quite robust plastic design. Let's just take these out a second. What else do we get? Underneath here we get an accessories pack, that says the charging, audio cable, in-flight adapter and a soft pouch. So there's the thanks very much for buying our product, and no doubt warranty. And then lovely little pouch here, dealing with some difficult dynamic range here. Let's just refocus. Lovely little carry pouch. They do fold up a little bit. So what have we got? We have a 3.5mm to USB Type-C adapter. You can see there. We have, what else have we got? Do people still do this? Share audio? Oh, it's an adapter anyway, so that's fine. And then we have some USB-A to USB-C. Is it C? Yeah, thankfully it is C. Charging cable. So let's just put that over there. And then let's have a look at the Cleer Audio Enduro ANC. So my initial reactions are that these look a lot more premium than the previous Cleer Audio products that I've looked at. However, I think the first thing, and probably the only thing I'll find wrong with these, is that the padding, whilst very soft, there's not a lot of it, and it sort of fades away towards the left and right edges of the head. I prefer something that kind of grips my head a little bit more, but we'll have a look at what they look like on in a second. Let's just have a look at the cushions on the cups. Oh, they're very nice and supple. I don't think they are leather, I think they're faux leather, but they're very supple. Not incredibly large apertures here for the ears. I don't have particularly huge ears, but I think I might struggle with those. Right, let's just have a look to see if they've got any left and right markings, something I always look out for, which they do, which is great. What do we have on the left side then? We have, oh, nearly dropped the phone then. We have what looks like volume up and down power button, what is probably going to be the ANC on-off button, and the charging port, along with a notification LED. And then further around the cup we've got a pinhole microphone there. On the other one we have the square root of absolutely nothing, which is fine by me. There's a little bit of play, as you can just see here. There's a little bit of movement on the cup, not a lot, but that should suffice. So I'm going to flip this to the front facing camera and show you what they look like on. So we're back, and this is what it looks like on. So I can already tell, I can't tell whether I'm actually shouting. They're not turned on. It's just the isolation. They isolate the noise very, very well without even being on. So I can already tell that that's going to have the active noise cancellation anyway. So whether the ANC is brilliant or not, it's probably going to have a much, much better chance of giving you an immersive feel and shutting out some of that external noise. They do feel very comfortable. I am bottoming out this cushioning on the top. So I would have preferred a little bit more cushioning there. The controls are relatively easy to find. They do feel a little bit cheap, if I'm totally honest, a little bit plasticky. And they're making a very annoying grating noise, but I have to hear what that sounds like whilst I'm listening to music or podcasts and I'm reaching for them. But overall, very comfortable so far. I'm just a little bit worried about that top cushioning over a longer period of time, especially if you want to get anywhere close to using this with some regularity. There's 60 hours of playback. I don't think you're going to reach 60 hours of continuous playback. I don't think anybody should even try and do that. But over a 3 or 4 hour long session, and maybe with a bit of movement as well, I do worry how comfortable that is. But at the moment, it's absolutely fine. So this has just been a quick unboxing and first look at the Cleer Audio Enduro ANC. I have to say I love the design on this. I previously had the very silver, just pure silver metallic ones. The contrast of this sort of bronzed metallic finish with the matte black is absolutely lovely. Not as matte as I would have liked, but it is matte. It's certainly not glossy. The cushions are adequate, and my ears do actually fit within the apertures really well, which I was a little bit worried about. The ratchet system feels very neat and very precise in terms of the adjustments you're making. And overall, I'm just going to have a play around with these and see exactly how they sound. I'll put another short little video up, probably on Instagram, as to how they actually sound. And if you're actually interested in picking one of these up, have a look at the link in the description. It'll be an Amazon affiliate link, so it will help us a little bit towards the running of the channel if you decide to go and use that link. And stay locked on MobileTechTalk.co.uk for the full review in the coming days. Thanks very much, guys, and keep safe out there.